In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use trendline effectively. And I'm not talking about trendline breaks, I'm talking about actually flowing in the market using trendline. And I'm sure you guys are going to love this one because I've never used the trendline in this way in the videos, but now I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And I hope you guys find a lot of value in this video, and remember to give the video a like and subscribe, and also comment down below what you guys would want to see next and help each other in the comment section. So let's find some opportunity and I will discuss and share everything you need to know. Okay, so I'm taking this one for 2 trades. Now let me remove this trend line real quick, and I want to show you guys from scratch how to do everything. Okay, by leaving this, let me show you guys this real quick. Okay, so draw from the first touch to the second one, and you see that after that, the third time the price came right here, rejected from the trend line, it creates a strong engulfing candle. If you're in the mentorship, you know that this engulfing candle is super strong, and you see how the price is dropping massively. And this is what I'm talking about. This is a different type of trading with the trend line. Now, so we have an engulfing candle. We are already in the trend direction, and this is the beauty about trend line, guys. That's the reason why it's called trend line. Okay, if you are someone who struggle to go with the trend, right, you know, you don't know how to identify it correctly and stuff like that, by using trend line you are always in the direction of the trend automatically. Okay, you see how the price is dropping, I'm in the trend. I don't even have to look for the trend, because once you enter with trend line you are already in the trend direction. And remember, the trend is your friend until it ends. Okay, and you see this, guys, the price is dropping like crazy because this engulf, I don't know why I didn't took more, but yeah, it is what it is. The price is rejecting from the trend line very nicely, and yeah, it's so good. And that was a winning trade right there, guys. I'm gonna find another opportunity. Okay, so I'm taking this one for 3. Now this trend line here, it's a little bit, it's not complicated, guys. I don't want to confuse you or anything. Now let me mark it to show you what is my smallest issue right here. Now if you pay attention very clearly, you could see that the price, I have the first touch right here, then the second one, the third touch. What happened, the green candle right here closes on my trend line, which is so good. Okay, and an engulfing candle form, which signals the price wants to drop. And remember, I said previously, for those who are beginners and stuff, this strategy is amazing. Okay, because you can actually see that you will always be in the direction of the trend. It's like automatically, right? I heard some people saying that if they always have to trade with the trend, if you have a problem finding the trend, this strategy is very good. Now you see this engulfing candle, what happens, this candle closes as a red one. Based on candlestick psychology, this has a high probability of continuing in the same direction, because it is a continuation candlestick sign. Now let me see, we are in the direction of the trend, so we are with the momentum, so we don't have much to worry about right here. I mean, me personally, because I'm the one taking the trade, but you know, I just say we because it's just what I say sometimes, because you know, I speak with the mentorship students and stuff like that. But anyway, Yes, guys, let's see how this trade is gonna turn out. Come on now. So it seems as if I lost practically one trade. It's fine. Let's find another opportunity. I don't know what happened right here, guys. My this is the reason why, guys, entry is so important, because you see that the candle closed below this red one. If I had entered exactly when this candle opened, I would win this trade. But it's fine. Let's find another opportunity. No, I took this trade for 2 only, so that I could recover. Well, basically, yeah, recover the one loss that I had. But don't think that this is revenge trading. I only took this again because there's another trend line here, which in fact I think the price might continue in my direction now, because you see that there was a bad entry which caused me to lose this trade. Guys, let me tell you something. No matter which strategy you're using, even if the strategy is accurate, still use proper entry points. That trade that I took previously was a prime example of why entry points are still important even when your strategy is good. You don't want to become very reckless in the market. You want to be precise, because remember that we trade with our own expiration. So that means whenever the expiration goes out, your trade wins or lose. So therefore, can't like opt out of a trade when you feel like you want to. So therefore, you have to make sure your entry is on point. Now, right here, we have a hammer candle. So I'm expecting price to continue going down, because this hammer candle is pretty strong. So it's a high probability that the price might not come back to my area. Okay, even if it's a green candle, because I entered my trade at the open of this red candle, and this is why I say entry is so good. Don't try to enter in halfway of the candle and stuff like that. That is very reckless. Okay, if you do it a win, do not try to continue, because it's very reckless. You see that entry point? What if I had entered in the middle of this candle? That would be a bad entry point. And this is why I sing about entry. I could have won my other trade right here if my entry point was good, but this one was a clear win. So now I'm going to search for another opportunity. Okay, so this trend line right here, guys, I don't even know where to start. Basically, this trade is a very good trade, and I'm going to explain now. You see this hammer candle here, it's very strong. Okay, and as you see, we coming from the trend line. And remember, I spoke about that when you're using trend lines, you're just automatically in the direction of the trend. Like, it's just automatic, right? And this is the reason why this strategy here, it's very good for beginners, especially if you're new to trading and you don't understand certain stuff. It's just so good. Now let me show you guys. See, this is the first touch right here, right? We connect from the body of the candle. So this is the second touch right here, and we draw it like this. I know some people might draw it from the wick, but it works best for me this way, so I'm just showing what works for me best. Now we have a nice somewhat nice hammer candle here and the inside gap. So I'm expecting this inside gap to fill, and the fact that this hammer candle is on the stronger side of things, it's very decent. And this one was strong also. I have a high probability of winning this trade. Even though you see it playing around like this, it probably just swoops and go higher. Let's see if my prediction is correct or not. For now, again, always remember that you need at least one touch, two touch, and then the third time when the price rejects, you take a trade. Like this trade right here was just so much confidence printing all over it. That's the reason why I go more heavy. And see that, guys? Look how the price is moving. Look at that. You're seeing this in 4K. Okay, this will be the end of my video, guys. The market is starting to looking very trashy and I can't find much opportunity, so I will just close my PC right here and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.